If you have any type of car buying question, please write comment in the comment section. Today's video is about top 9 safest cars in India global NCAP. 9. Toyota Urban Cruiser. The Brezza from Toyota has also scored a good 4-star safety rating on the NCAP test. Much like the Brezza, the Urban Cruiser is also a decently built machine and offers the same levels of safety. For adults, the Urban Cruiser scored 13.50 to 17, and for children, it scored 36.68/49. Toyota Urban Cruiser price in India 8.88 to 11.73 lakh. 8. Nissan Magna. The Magna has quite literally been the savior for Nissan in India. Along with good looks, space, and value for money, the Magna also offers a good safety package. It scored a good 4-star rating on the NCAP test. An 11.85/17 for adults and a 24.88/49 for children is what the Magna offers. Nissan Magna price in India 5.45-10 lakh. 7. Renault Kiger. The Kiger is one of the best small SUVs one can buy right now. As far as safety is concerned, Renault has you guys sorted. The Kiger scored a 4-star safety rating in crash tests conducted during the NCAP. While it has scored a decent 12.34/17 for adult safety, it does fall behind on child safety with a score of 21st May 1949. Renault Kiger price in India 5.45 to 10.15 lakh. 6. Honda Jazz. One of the most underrated cars on this list of highest car safety ratings is the Honda Jazz. It has also scored a 4-star rating on the NCAP test. For adults, it scored a 13.89/17, and for children, it scored a 31.54/49. The Jazz has always been a little pricey, but it is worth it considering the competition is only 3-star rated. Happy Smiley. Honda Jazz price in India 7.87 to 10.20 lakh. If you need Honda Jazz, please buy right now. Honda Jazz discontinued in India 2023. 5. Honda City, 4th Gen, India's favorite and most evergreen sedan, also grabs a place on this list of highest car safety ratings. The 4th Gen City has scored a 4-star rating with a 12th March 2017 for adults and a 38.27/49 for children. The current 5th Gen City has not been tested by NCAP, but it has scored a 5-star rating on the ACAN NCAP safety test. Honda City 4th generation price in India 9.30-10 lakh. 4. Renault Kiger. The Renault Kiger is a budget MPV that can seat 7 people. The best part about this MPV is that it is a big bang for the buck. Starting at just under 6 lakhs rupees, the Kiger is the cheapest MPV in India. Apart from this, it has also scored a 4-star on the crash test with 11.60 to 17 for adults and 27.49 for children. Renault Tribe price in India 5.76 to 8.32 lakh. 3. Tata Tiger EV. Just like its ICE twin, the Tiger EV also scored a 4-star safety rating. This is the first Indian EV to be tested by the NCAP, and it did really well. 8.12/17 on adult safety and 37.24/49 on child safety is what the Tiger EV has managed to fetch in this test. The Tiger EV is the only EV on this list with the highest car safety ratings. Tata Tiger EV price in India 12.24 to 13.39 lakh. 2. Tata Punch. The Punch was already a very anticipated car in the Indian market, and its safety rating has just added a feather to its cap. It scored a 5-star safety rating on the crash test. What is notable is that the Punch is very close to the XUV 700 in terms of safety scores. It obtained a 16.45/17 on adult safety and 40.89/49 on child safety. Considering the price at which this micro SUV is available, it is surely a steal. Tata Punch price in India 5.98 to 8.98 lakh. 1. Mahindra XUV 700. Keeping the best on top, the XUV 700 is currently the safest Indian car. NCAP tested the XUV 700 late last year, and the results were top-notch. It scored a 5-star safety rating, that too was on the higher side of things. The XUV 700 obtained a 16th March 2017 on adult safety and a 41.66/49 on child safety. This SUV is the safest car on this list of highest car safety ratings. Mahindra XUV 7.0 price in India 15.98 to 22.98 lakh. Please tell me in the comment section which car crash test results you like from this video. For more information about safest cars in India Global NCAP, please subscribe Motorcar India. Please subscribe Motorcar India and press the bell icon. Like this video, share with your friend, comment me which type of car buying question you have.